Doing my homework. Doing my homework is a daily task that helps me learn and grow. After school, I sit at my desk with my books and school supplies. I begin by looking through my assignments to see what I need to do first. I usually start with math because I find it the easiest. Once I finish that, I move on to reading or writing. Sometimes I need help from my parents, especially with tricky problems, and I always ask questions if I don't understand something. I focus hard because I want to finish my homework quickly and do it well. When I finish a subject, I check my work to make sure I didn't make any mistakes. After my homework is complete, I feel proud of what I've done. I know that by doing my homework every day, I am learning new things that will help me in the future. My parents always remind me to stay organized and plan my time so I can finish everything without rushing. Doing my homework helps me stay on track in school, and I enjoy the feeling of accomplishment when I get it done.